Okay guys, so this is our application. Open this applications. So this is our home page where you can check our latest courses and also the blogs. You can also go to the courses stream or the section. Here we have multiple courses available. If you go to the blogs, you also have the blog section. Okay, you can also search the courses, any kind of courses you need. So let's suppose Laravel, that is the PHP based framework. So this is the Laravel. You can just click on the course, specific course from home page, from courses, or from here. So as you can see, since I have already logged in and I have already enrolled this one, so that's why it's redirecting from course to the lessons. So if I'm going to log out, now I'm log out. So if you check once again, just click on this one. It's now currently showing that this is the course, these are the tags and the course related to the Laravel 10, and also we are covering the project. So this is the Urdu language course. The language is also specified, all levels, and all the informations available here. You can just click on the enrollment button to enroll in this course. Why it's not working? Because you have to log in with the login button. Okay, so these are the courses, these are the lessons which is available for preview without enroll. You can check these one. So if you click this one, as you can see, you can preview the course.
आज की सेकंड वीडियो में आज
Okay, so now if you go to the login, if you using your credentials, if you click on the login button, you will redirect from login screen to the okay, you have successfully logged in. If you go to the profile, you can also edit the profile like your name and also some other kind of values you can give, like descriptions, and also you have some, you can change the profile. Like if I'm going to change the profile, this is me once again, as you can see, fine. So currently we have this one. If you update the profile in a few seconds, now you have just changed the profile. You can also click on the about us sections. You can also go to the back, also click on the settings. You can use the biometric login. Since this is the pop-out app, so that's why the biometric is not available. So that's why it's not. You can also delete all the data which we are currently storing in your device as a async storage. Okay, so now if you are going to click, and you can also check our terms and conditions, privacy policies. So if you click on the privacy policies, it will redirect from applications to the browser. So this is our official website where you can check our privacy policies. Fine. So open, click on the logout button. You can also click on the sign up button to create the accounts. Just give the first and last name, email, and also the password. When you click on the register, we will send you the email to verify your email address. Once you click on that particular link, you will redirect to the web. So once you have created the account and verified the account, then you can come back to the application. Just go to the login and click on the login button by filling the credentials.